When you think of Spain, some obvious places come to mind. Cities like Seville, Barcelona, perhaps Valencia, or right here in the Plaza Mayor, in the heart of the capital city of Madrid. But the real key to loving Spain is understanding what to do outside these cities. So let me show you some of my hidden gems of Spain. Spain is one of the world's most visited destinations, and for good reason. The sunny Mediterranean beaches, afternoon siestas, world-class food, and of course, wine. And one of the best places to explore Spanish wine culture is in the Basque Country of northern Spain. The Basque Country is bordered by the Bay of Biscay to the north, Cantabria to the west, and southern France to the northeast. But it's in the southern part of the Basque Country, nestled between the Cantabria Mountains and the Ebro River, where you'll find Spain's renowned Rioja wine region. There are winery tours all around the world that you can do by bus or by car, or even by foot, but who ever heard of doing it by Segway? Well, you can do it here. Well, thank you. The Eguren Ugarte winery has been in the same family since 1870. Now run by the fifth and sixth generations, this bodega combines tradition with modern techniques to produce award-winning wines. Most people would be surprised to learn that Spain has nearly 3 million acres of wine grapes, more than any other country. And the Rioja region, with nearly 1,000 wineries, is home to many of Spain's oldest, like the ones in the medieval town of LaGuardia. Surrounded by an ancient wall, the hilltop town of LaGuardia looks as though it hasn't changed in centuries. But in this town, it contains an underground tunnel system that was originally built for protection and later became a place to store grapes and eventually to make and store wine. Dating back to the 11th century, Casa Primicia is the oldest building in LaGuardia.
When you are outside the main door, you are not thinking on watching such a building and the subterranean cave. It's very peculiar, very emblematical, very historical. And well, it's more than 1,000 years old with a lot of histories, anecdotes. So it's for us, it's like magic. Gastronomy is spectacular, and of course the maridas with the wine is unique.
And speaking of gastronomy, be sure to stop by La Pilar Carniceria to sample a little bit of their special white pork.
This is the ham, but typical from this area. Okay, it's different than the ham from South Spain because the pork is different. Here it's white and the other is black. We dry, we put in salt between 22 25 days, okay, and then we cover with paprika. This is inside. The smell is delicious. With a piece of bread, it's something special.
And when you're done exploring the medieval town of LaGuardia, how about some modern architecture with your wine? Bodega Bagliori may be an architectural gem, but it's the unique way of producing its wine that makes this bodega a must-see. Below the glass cube, with 360-degree views of the surrounding vineyards, is a winery that is 100% gravity-fed. No pumps used here. Winemaker Simone Arena says that it's this process that makes their wine so special.
Normally the process is working with the pumps during the pumping over, and then we are going to just use the grain to put the wine in the top of the tank. So we are going to use the gravity in all the process during the fermentation.
The winemaking process at Bodega Bagliori may be one of its star attractions, but it's the hotel designed by award-winning architect Frank Gehry that brings many people to Marqués de Riscal, the city of wine. Gehry designed the ribboned facade of the building using pink, silver, and gold titanium to reflect the colors of the famed Rioja wine and the Marqués de Riscal bottle. But don't let the modern exterior of the hotel fool you. This bodega is one of the oldest wineries in the Rioja region. Founded in 1858, they have bottles of wine from every year since their very first vintage.
Well, this is the old bottle cellar of the winery. And here we can find bottles since 1862. It's a private collection. We don't sell these bottles, we open them in special occasions. It's not only the history of the winery, what we can find in here, if not it's the history of the bottles, because some these very old bottles has been hand blown, different shapes.
In this part of Spain, wine is just about everywhere, even inside a hotel spa. At the Villa de la Guardia, you're not drinking the wine, but the wine is touching you. Here's the deal. About 100 years ago, as they were stomping the grapes in the fields, they discovered that it felt pretty good on their feet. In fact, it had a pretty good effect on their feet. Translation, here comes a spa treatment. There are regular massages and hot stone massages. But what about a frozen grape massage? The wine oil spa at the Villa de la Guardia has a whole menu of wine-related spa services, like wine oil scrubs and iced grape facials. Prefer a slightly warmer treatment? How about a wine hydro massage? The bonus with this one is that you can sip wine and eat chocolate while you're relaxing. But you don't leave the winery by car. If you're smart, you get out here on the Ebro River. It's the second longest river in the Iberian Peninsula. And it's a great way to see a part of Spain that few people ever see. It's about a 6-mile ride, but one caution. Remember, you're leaving the winery, so watch your drinking. The last thing you want is KUI. You know what that means? Kayaking under the influence.